Athuri a kiama kia Gema na atongoria a kuma gicigo kia Nyanza ni mehitite kurimira urumwe uria makoretwo naguo gutigirira bururi ni wehanda. Matongoretio ni mwandiki mukaru wa kiama kia Gema Peter Muga, Seneta wa Siaya James Orengo na Oburu Odinga uria ni muru wa nyina na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga, moigite ngeithi cia Uhuru na Raila ni ciagiriirwo kunyitwo mbaru.
In Kenya, the major contradiction has been between the lake and the mountain. If we don't solve that question, Kenya is likely to go to the dogs.
And Uhuru saw it fit that we come together and we do the handshake and we bring peace to this country.
Mwena-ini wake akiaria na nyumba cia mohoro kiroko kia umuthi, Raila ni oritie andu a Mount Kenya matige kumwitigira kuona ni muthoniwa na ena kioneki kurio.
Uhuru Kenyatta finya.
Atongoria ningi ni makomithite munini wa President William Ruto ni kiria moigite ni kwagira President gitio.
Munini wa bururi ni arenda guthie na guku kuhenia andu akihenagia na keitu. Ana keitu riu ni mohigite, ni moi ti hiru baro marenda, madina ti kindu kingi marenda, tiga kuheo mieke ya wira.
The deputy president has no other powers other than to assist the president. So if he is not assisting the president, he is not doing his duties under the law. There's a gross constitutional violation, and we must bring this to an end. And if there's anybody trying to tear Kenya apart, we can go back to the people and make his life extremely miserable.
Ningi Muga ni onanitie kwaga kuiganira ni kuharagana kwa mubango wa BBI uria oigite urari kiguni kinene kuri andu a Mount Kenya.
Mutige kuoya bilioni 53 iria murarehagirwo na BBI mweci kuheagwo o sade o kanitha kana kuria gwa thio kana mwitagwo micemanio ya kurihwo ngiri na igana na 55 ni mundu utoya ati ni muigeirwo ngemi ithano na gatagati ka ngemi ithano cia Mugikuyu rumwe ni ruo tonga na rwotongoria.
Miario yao yukite riri mutongoria wa ODM orite Ruto kuyeheria thirikari-ini angikorwo ndaretikirania na mitaratara na mibango yayo, akiuga Ruto guthie na mbere ta munini wa president ni uhinga.
Where has Ruto suffered? Has he ever suffered anything? Has he ever been detained? Has he ever struggled? Apart from I hear burning some church in Eldoret, I never. At Kiambaa, burning people there. I never heard that Ruto really suffered in the struggle for any change.
Uhuru Kenyatta finya.
Gerifotera Kameme TV, Jeta Gitau wa Wanjiku.